As the digital transformation trend steers the world into a new era of growth, organizations today are struggling with the need to find the right talent to drive this change. My name is Sonal Malavia from Cloud9 Infosystems executive team. Founded in 2010, Cloud9 Infosystems is a born in the cloud Microsoft Azure Gold Cloud partner. We are proud to be one of the 100 partners globally to be recognized as an Azure Expert MSP partner. It shows our global commitment to build and leverage deep Azure knowledge and service capabilities. We have consistently demonstrated the ability to enable organizations in optimizing their cloud capabilities and deliver digital transformation for all businesses. Headquartered in United States, Cloud9 Infosystems offers comprehensive services specializing in end-to-end cloud IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS solutions to help build, migrate, manage, secure, and continually optimize digital transformation initiatives to SMEs and Fortune 1000 clients across North America, Asia, and Europe. Our comprehensive services in cloud includes DevOps, SysOps automation, cloud application modernization, data analytics, and cognitive services. Our vision is to continually build a company and advise clients in their journey to digital transformation. We wish to create and cultivate a transparent partner engagement model with all our clients and empower our teams by introducing innovative technologies. To achieve these goals, we are always looking for very talented Microsoft certified professionals. Industry expects the demand to grow up to 2.7 million for digitally skilled professionals by 2023. Given that enabling a digital mindset at the leadership level and upskilling are just as important as hiring experienced talent within the industry. Staying current on fast-paced, ever-emerging technology skills has been another critical factor for success through the pandemic, and therefore, digital skilling is being recognized as a key solution for the tech industry. Cloud9 Infosystems has invested heavily in classroom-led, online, web-based e-learning platforms to keep current with groundbreaking technology such as cloud analytics, Power BI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cybersecurity. Being a Microsoft Gold Cloud partner with 15 competencies in cloud supports continual education within the organization in Microsoft technologies by rewarding, recognizing, encouragement, promotion, monetary incentives, and reimbursements for the certification trainings, exam costs, and more to the team members for further education. It allows our employees, contractors, interns, and even students to keep up with new operating systems, database software tools, network management ideas, and evolving best practices that must change as new systems come to market. They can focus on new technologies through platforms like Microsoft Learn and more. This way, it benefits both the company and those who have a significant interest in always performing at the highest level. Cloud9 also mandates certifications for all tech employees to remain competitive in the market. Another international study of business executives has revealed that the global pandemic has severely limited workplace advancement opportunities for many, and especially for women, and that leaders feel restricted in their abilities to step in and help due to other COVID-19 fueled business challenges. Cloud9 has taken prompt, tangible action to redefine long-held constructs of what work means and looks like to create a post-pandemic culture where the entire team can thrive. Flexibility is a key to employee retention, and especially for women. Cloud9 Infosystem offers flexible hours and remote work flexibility. We have built a more diverse and inclusive organization while at the same time fostering a culture of innovation and growth. We have implemented an effective diversity and inclusion program. It required our executive leaders to be active listeners, vigilant on setting examples for their employees. With the avid support of allies at Cloud9, significant progress has been made towards gender disparities. As a result, men and women within the organizations are aware, well-informed, engaged in generous listening, and understand the critical importance of collaborating with their junior colleagues. Our success is having great relationship between our executives, diverse teams, our clients, business partners, and maintaining those relationships because you never know whom you're going to work with in the future. As our country and economy look to grow and move forward, we must address how we bring extraordinary talent back to work. So prepare yourself and take this opportunity to register for the next big career move. Thank you.